Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we will be doing the battery drain test of the OnePlus 13s. So we have the OnePlus 13s. Let's just show you the above device. So you can see here OnePlus 13s Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 5850 milliampere battery, and you get the 80 watt SuperVOOC. Now we have completed the charging, so you can see here 100% charge. So we're going to do the battery drain test of this device and see how much time it lasts. Again, this is not a completely accurate test, just to give you an indicative idea of how much time it will last. The lasting would depend upon your usage. If you play games a lot, then battery drain would be higher. If you don't, if you watch movies, or if you are using Instagram or social apps, it will be lesser consumption. So let's see how much of battery drain happens. So this is just an indicative test to give you an idea of the battery, how much battery drain it will happen, and how much screen on time you will get with the OnePlus 13s. So let's start the drain test. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So you can see now 100% charge on this device. So we'll disconnect the device from the charger, and first we'll use Instagram. We'll play some reels on Instagram and see how much battery drain happens. So right now we'll do this on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens after 1 hour of Instagram on Wi-Fi network. Then we'll go to 5G usage. So we have the Airtel SIM card installed. This is the 5G SIM card. So we'll see how much of battery drain happens in 5G as well as Wi-Fi. So let's start with Instagram. So now we have removed the charger, and we'll start the timer. So we'll start with Instagram on the device. So now we are started off with Instagram. The first 1 hour we'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens. Then we'll go to 5G network. So after the first hour of Instagram usage, we have 95% of the battery remaining. That's 5% drop in 1 hour of Instagram on Wi-Fi. Let's continue with Instagram Reels. This time around we'll use 5G network, and again 1 hour we'll use 5G network, and let's see how much battery happens to be retained after 1 hour. So after 2 hours, 1 hour on Wi-Fi and 1 hour on 5G, we have 87% of the battery remaining. Let's continue with another app. This is YouTube app. YouTube is one of the popular apps we use for multimedia and watching movies. So first hour of YouTube will stream on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of YouTube, we have 79% battery. That means almost 8% battery drained with Instagram or other YouTube. Next we'll continue with Instagram or other YouTube on 5G network, and at the end we have 75% battery remaining. So now we have completed almost 4 hours of usage, and we have 75% of the battery remaining. Remember, these are streaming apps, so it won't take much of battery. Next we'll go with camera. So camera, we are connected to Wi-Fi network, and camera will record 4K video. So 4K is one of the things which take up a lot of battery. So we'll go with recording 4K video on this. So at the end of 1 hour of recording videos, the battery now is at 54%. That means almost 21% drop in 1 hour of 4K 60 FPS recording. Next, let's go to FB app. That's a Facebook app. Again, we'll stream on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of Facebook usage on Wi-Fi network, we have 48% battery remaining. So now it's come down just below 50%. Now we have completed 6 hours of usage on this device. So 6 hours usage, we have 48% battery remaining. So now we are stopping the battery drain test. We'll see idle battery drain. We'll come back tomorrow and see how much battery drain happened during the idle time. So 48% is battery right now. So again, we are starting the test the next day. Now we can see here 45% battery we have. This is after almost like 8 to 9 hours of idle drain time. So 3% battery drain. Next we'll go to Twitter app. We'll watch some videos on Twitter app on 5G network, and right now we have completed 1 hour, and at the end of 1 hour of Twitter usage, we have 35% battery remaining. So that's the time right now, 7 hours 35% battery. Let's go to gaming actually. So gaming, not a lot of people do, but we'll still go with gaming. We'll play 2 games, Asphalt Unite and then PUBG Mobile or BGMI. 1 hour of usage, we'll go with 20 minutes of Asphalt Unite and then around 40 minutes of PUBG Mobile. So at the end of 1 hour of gaming, we have 25% battery remaining. That means a 10% drop in 1 hour of gaming on Wi-Fi network. Next, let's go to YouTube streaming again. We'll go with 5G network and let's see how much of battery drain happen. So 1 hour of YouTube streaming on 5G network, we have 15% battery remaining. So now we have completed almost 9 hours of battery usage, and in 9 hours we have 15% battery remaining. Let's continue with YouTube on Wi-Fi network and let's see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of YouTube on Wi-Fi network, we have 6% of the battery completed, or rather remaining. So 10 hours completed, 6% battery remaining. Let's continue with Instagram on Wi-Fi and see how much time it remains for the 6% battery to drain out. And at the end of 10 hours and 35 minutes, we have drained out the entire battery on the OnePlus 13s. So 10 hours 35 minutes is what it took for draining the OnePlus 13s. But remember, on real world conditions, you might get probably around 8 to 8.5 hours of real world usage, because that depends the signal strength, the calls you make, the time you spend on the device, the apps you use, a lot of things, even the temperature of the room. If you use the phone outdoors in heavy sunlight, again the battery drain will be higher. If you game a lot, the battery drain will be higher. So on an average, you can expect around 8 to 8.5 hours of screen on time on typical usage on OnePlus 13s. But again, this is not an accurate test, just an indicative test to give you an idea about how much battery it can last. But remember, this device is really good in terms of battery performance. For a flagship device, this is really good performance from OnePlus 13s. Now we have tested both on Wi-Fi as well as 5G network. Around 4 hours were used on 5G network and rest 6 hours on Wi-Fi network. We have set the display brightness to auto brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and the highest possible resolution, display resolution is what it used. So that was the battery drain test. So 10 hours 35 minutes in our testing. So in real world, probably 8.5 hours you can get in mixed usage. So that was a battery drain test of the OnePlus 13s. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.